Koba Pond and Shiraito Falls. Okay, and skiing and hot spring are popular in winter. Ayan. And we're going to stay at Hoshinoya Hotel. It's my first time to go in Karuizawa. Kaya samahan nyo kami sa aming tour. Okay, dyan lang kayo. Sa reception area, dito ko mag-iintay papunta sa aming cottage. Okay, ang ganda ng river. Refresh. Relaxing. We just checked in here in reception area, and while waiting for our shuttle to our villa, we're listening to the traditional musical instrument, and it's really relaxing. So okay, let's listen. We just had our Japanese sake, and it's really good. We just ride in the shuttle going to our villa, and excited na po kami. In our destination. Welcome to Hoshinoya Karuizawa. Hoshinoya Karuizawa is a resort village hidden from the world by forests and the river. The setting is at once unfamiliar and comforting. Rivulets, or what you call small river, cascading down a terrace hill. Stones walls standing with a quiet majesty. Terraces, as you could see, may terrace sa likod. And these terraces recall traditional Japanese homes and windows designed to frame the surrounding of nature. This design was evolved out of the Japan past. To our villa, this is our mini sala, and this is the closet, and the other side is the restroom. Okay, medyo madilim. Ayan. So, i-close na natin. Side is the vanity area. There's a vanity mirror there. There's a sink and the towels and everything we need. Yan. This is the bath and shower area. As you could see, the bathtub is made of wood. It's really Japanese style talaga. And the shower, yan. And the water here is hot spring. Kaya nakaka-relax talaga. Then let's go back to our mini sala. So from mini sala, we could go up to the bedroom. There's 2 double beds, and let's go out to the entrance. Okay, so this is the entrance. There are 2 flashlights here, so you could take a walk at night. And this is the entrance door, as you could see. Yan, balik na tayo sa bedroom. There's an expansive window that has a panoramically view. You can open it to have a refreshing breeze to flow inside. Okay, so now let's take a look at the view. Okay, how beautiful it is. Now let's go to the terrace. Even when you're lounging on this sofa on the terrace, you will feel relaxed by listening to the soft breeze of the surrounding forest and the sound of the river. I decided to take a walk for a while, and I just think that when you're in Hoshinoya Karuizawa, nature is always right beside you, as you could hear the sound of the river, the sound of the birds, and the fresh breeze of the air. You will feel really relaxed. This is the view at night. The dark quiet of Karuizawa's night has a way of enriching nature sounds. Okay, so it's really relaxing. This is the menu for tonight. Oh, I would open it. As you could see, there's a lot of eat in a food course. And the Japanese food was really great. The course was quite expensive. Okay, there's a sake there. My husband is pouring a sake. The course was quite expensive, but it's really delicious. It's one of the best Japanese food I've ever had. So take a look of the Japanese food course. Here they are. Going back to our villa. To all the viewers, who wants to visit Japan and experience a relaxing vacation and relaxing nature, I'd strongly recommend to visit Hoshinoya Karuizawa. And please check their website. I'm gonna put the link in my YouTube. Okay, so guys, please check it out. Coffee. Souvenirs. I'm the driver. Hi. Ako ang magda-drive dahil may hangover si Habi. Let's go. Magla-lunch. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!